In IoT-based smart farming, a system is built for monitoring the crop field with the help of sensors such as light, humidity, temperature, soil moisture, and many more, and automating the irrigation system. The function implemented in ERC20 helped the web client to interact with token and blockchain more efficiently, effectively, and rapidly. Farmers will be able to oversee the farm conditions from any location. Hardware offering segment dominated the global market with largest share owing to its extensive usage in smart farming to reduce input and augment output productivity of crop yields. One of the key features in modern agricultural management is the use of IT and advanced tools like sensors, control systems, robots, autonomous automobile, automated hardware, variable rate technology, to name a few. The terms and conditions of these contracts are fully visible and accessible to all relevant parties. Once these contracts are established, they are indisputable and irrevocable. These facilitate absolute transparency of all transactions to all concerned parties. These contracts run on software code and can be viewed in real time on the internet. As a result, distributors can execute these transactions very effectively and efficiently. Due to the speed of these processes, precious time are saved compared to traditional business processes. Smart contract will ensure accuracy in all details, resulting in explicit and clear instructions. One of the most important benefits of buying local food is you know exactly where your food comes from and who grew it. You know it is fresh. With QR scanning, we are able to enhance the integrity of the all processes chain. The QR scanning will deploy all transaction records on blockchain, which are secured, irrevocable, and transparent through the distributed ledger, available across the network for all the users. This will ensure food safety by eliminating fraud, false labeling, and intermediaries' intervention.